Hi, it's Louise Phillips Forbes, and I am so excited to be here today to share with you my latest and newest exclusive 40 West 55th Street, apartment 2B. Let's check it all out and see what it has to offer for you. Built in 1924 by the iconic architect Rosario Candela, 40 West 55th Street is a pre-war condominium with only 35 homes. Two B is 1,350 square feet, a classic 5-room, which is perfectly appointed and holds a sense of elegance while remaining comfortable and eclectic in its style. Filled with beautiful millwork, attention to details with moldings, the 9-foot ceilings, the northeastern exposure, and you can snuggle up and enjoy a good book with your fireplace. Once again, I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and thank you so much for joining me here at 40 West 55th Street, the home of 2B, and I am awaiting to share all the details with you in person.